type of vlog. I've been trying to balance like hanging out with friends and just enjoying the moment versus trying to film everything. So I took a little break, but I'm back to vlogging. Today we are going to go eat wako with some of my roommates when I used to live in the Bay Area. You actually know, oh, they've been in one of my past vlogs. Ryan, he got married pretty recently. He is now a married man. He just came back from his honeymoon. Oh, he's over there.
Right now, like my cousin came over like about 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
And then, like, he was
The newlywed man.
whatever.
These are the friends I used to live with in the Bay. Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna go walk with today.
Where is she?
Friday, and I'm going to my friend's house. He's gonna cook us some dinner at his rooftop, I think. And then I'm gonna teach him how to stream, maybe. And we're just gonna be hanging out.
These are just
Food, right?
so I was trying to figure out where to put it.
Chicken?
Yeah, it's like 5 pounds.
Wow, this place is so nice. Ta-da! We're at LA rooftop. Actually, like mid-top. We're not exactly at the roof. Chef of the night.
Get the camera out of my face.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, come through tomorrow. Yeah, I've been seeing it everywhere.
The DJ of the night.
All my clients, all my clients
Everyone's off in their convos.
And then I know.
I like it because it's like
I'm just vlogging.
yeah, it's like I paid that
Wow. Mashed potatoes. Ooh. Daddy Christian. We're playing bocce ball. Mr. Juno Flo and Serena. Mushrooms are finished. We're also making grilled cabbage. No, grilled lettuce salad. Oh, you know also the person I told you to bully?
No.
See their comment? Oh, you know how in the vlog, the latte art part?
Oh
They
yeah.
commented and they got mad. But I told him it was me. I told him I gave it the purple.
I was because I thought of it, but then I didn't do it at first because I'm like, he's too.
No, it was like a fun man. He's not actually
I
mad.
actually knew of him,
Oh yeah, from Hype. Yeah, we talked
but
about
like
it.
I didn't really know him like that. I just
I'm still not sorry, Nathan.
they'd
Oh, his
be-
name's Nathan too.
Yeah, they'd be like, oh yeah, Nathan gave like the approval, and I'm like, okay, cool. I never knew who he was.
Mashed potato, but no Benji.
Bro, I don't have enough space for all this stuff.
I was gonna post Christian, but he looks too stressed.
That's hot as shit.
Wow. My first time trying grilled lettuce salad. Doesn't look that bad though. Wow. Camera has to eat first. Yeah, husband material right here.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
You can do Instagram for that stuff.
Jared also joined us for the night.
So me and East Coast going.
We just finished dinner. It's getting a little chilly, so probably gonna go up to Mr. Christian's house soon. What the heck are they doing over there? What the fudge? Oh my goodness. Wow, this view though. They're taking a group picture without me. Nami. It's so pink. He looks so done with life. Ufi, hey. Look at how much coffee beans I have left now. After the subathon, or I guess during the subathon, some friends brought some coffee beans and he was gonna teach me how to make latte art, but the machines ended up breaking upon arrival, so we just have a bunch of unused beans that I have to eat by myself. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends today, and I'm probably gonna give them their own little baggies of coffee beans. Got the coffee beans from my friends. Bye Lupi, bye Nami. Say bye. See you guys in a bit. One of our friends, Caroline, is bringing one of her dogs that I've been wanting to meet for a while. Very cute, very big. I've known Caroline for several months now, but I've yet to meet this dog, so I'm very excited. He's so big. How old is he?
2.
2? Wow, I could legit ride him.
What the fuck?
Wow. Aigu.
No.
So cute and big. Get this pizza, this is dinner.
Because I used to be like, Robin, I don't play. Yeah, but now that she need, yeah. But now that I understand.
I'm sorry, why are you laughing at my vlog? This is Finger Lady.
Recording. Okay. I'm gonna try to lift this up. Hello, world.
Mosaic my feet again.
Hey, Janet. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's so heavy. Okay, I guess we're just gonna vlog from this angle because it's too heavy for me to lift. Hey guys, so they're eating pizza while I'm sitting here. It's like a narration because of background music. They ordered Pizza Hut today. I made myself food at home. Food's here. Caroline is gonna eat right now.
Damn, look at my back. You remember that thing from long ago, that trend from Korea? Where you did the 밑에? 아니, 밑에서. 밑에서? And then lift it up, lift it up.
Do a double check.
It's, what is it? It was like 각성의 something. And then you lift it up.
각도의 중요성?
그거야. What did you say? 어머머머머. Like the
So fake. So fake, Jenna.
Redo it. Let me do it again one more time.
He's so good at Chinese. He speaks like 20 different languages.